Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change brightness in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and where to find this option. To change our screen brightness, we have to go to Settings, then we have to navigate to the Display option here, and now we have these options here. Firstly, to change our brightness, we have to turn the adaptive brightness off. Now the automatic brightness is turned off and we can change brightness of our screen however we want, and it will stay at this level of brightness that was set up. It won't change. And it's done. Very simple. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.